Mazda pickup truck B2600i, and today we're going to flash clutch fluid. This is our master clutch cylinder, and on top, as you can see, the reservoir. And before you take a cap off, make sure it's clean, no dirt or debris will get inside the clutch hydraulic system. As you can see, fluid is dirty and it's a time to replace. And also we replaced our slave cylinder and we'll need to purge the air from the system. Okay, let's use this syringe to get most of the fluid from the reservoir, and take a second to subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that, and click that notification bell as well. And yeah, just extract much fluid as you can and top it up with a fresh fluid, new, just opened from the bottle. Okay, my truck takes DOT3 type of fluid, and we need a bottle with old fluid and a tubing. Okay, let's go under the truck. As you can see, over there is a bleeder valve, 88 mil wrench. Let's put it over the bleeder, and yeah, then put a rubber tubing on the end, and another end is submerged into the bottle. Okay, let's pump the clutch pedal 3, 4, 5 times and then push it to the floor and hold it. If you have a assistant, like someone can help you, okay, then open the bleeder valve and voila, we have a first bubble. And yeah, close it up and repeat that procedure till you don't see any air and only clean fresh fluid will start coming out. And I am going to do it more and over again. Probably will take you 4 or 5 times, 4, 5, something like that, and watch that fluid in your tank. You don't want to get any air sucked in. And as soon as you're done, yeah, checked for leaks and shouldn't be any. As you can see, we have new clutch slave cylinder. Let's do the cleanup, and yeah, make sure no any fluid on the metal parts, especially under the hood, because it's highly corrosive. Okay, all good, no leaks, all air is out, and let's take it for a spin, and you should have a good clutch. And I'm also going to make another video how to adjust the clutch on Mazda B2600i. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.